I really like our new entryway bench. We have it set up in our entryway, so it's one of the first things people see when they enter our home, and they always say it looks great. The design is very clean and nice, and also the appearance of the wood, it looks upscale and kind of fancy, and the fabric's very nice too on the cushion. The 3 cubby holes or storage areas, they not only look good, but that you can also use them in lots of ways, like you can display home decor items or nice coffee table types of books or whatever you want. And they also actually look really good just being left empty. If you have any of the fabric drawer things that they slide in, and I have some and they fit perfect in there, and they actually match really well with the cushion as well. And the wood is kind of a darker color. It's not too dark. Right now we have the cushion on it, and it's filled with a thick type of like memory foam or something. It's quite dense, but it's comfortable to sit on while you're putting on your shoes or waiting for someone to get ready or something. It also looks really nice without the cushion. It makes it look a little bit more like a console style table. Regardless, I was really glad to find that when it was all finished and put together and everything, it's very sturdy and strong and well made. It has several feet on the bottom for stability, and the dividers for the 3 cubbyhole storage areas, they also add additional strength. So I have in the video, you can see that it was really easy and straightforward to assemble also.